In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear your ignored friend requests on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go to your profile and then just scroll down until you find Add Friends feature. Just get into it. Then tap at that three dots and select Ignored from Edit Me. And that will show you the Snapchatters whose friend ad you have ignored. And from here you can easily accept those requests if you want, but if you don't and you want to hide that users from here, you can just touch and hold on that user and then tap at block and block again. So that will remove the friend request from that list. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.